Here's a quick assembly guide here to assemble the micro mountain after printing. The first thing, this tab here, it's going to use one of the standard SCX 24 little tiny screws. You need to use about a 5 to 6 millimeter long one. If you get too long on your length, it's going to end up stripping out before it goes tight. And so once you tighten this down, that's pretty much all you have to do on the rocky side. But on the articulated side, you will have this support that is probably going to start to peel a little bit at the bottom here, which is completely fine and normal. So if you start to see that while you're printing, you don't need to stop it or cancel it thinking that it's not going to work. That's fairly common for this bottom piece to just kind of float there in there. So what you're going to start with is take a knife and cut these little supports off the side here on both sides, just so that they are not connected. And then you can get in here with the knife and make sure that there's not any overlap on that inside edge. And then at that point, you should be able to grab this thing and just peel, and it should peel straight off of here. You might need to go in and clean up a little bit of the floating in there, cut some of those little tabs off with your little dikes. They may not affect anything, or they may not end up happening in there, but if you do get any of those in there, you can just cut those out of there. So once you have a little bit of space in there, you then can hook it right over the other side, and they create one locked together mountain there.